Dear Hazur, there have been many negative sentiments in the public, including amongst Jamaat members and others, regarding the COVID vaccine. Some Jamaat members who are office bearers are also not vaccinated. Dear Hazur, what is your advice for these people, and how can we encourage them to follow government guidelines?
The thing is that whatever government is doing is for our betterment, right? And we should acknowledge it by getting vaccine. So if office bearers are not doing it, they are doing wrong. If they say that when there was an outbreak of plague during the time of the Prophet Muhammad, that was a sign shown to Prophet Muhammad. And even those people living in Qadian were asked by the Prophet that, okay, you cannot be vaccinated, even then Allah Ta'ala will save you. But he never asked the Jamaat in general that nobody should get vaccinated or get the anti-plague jab, right? So this argument is the wrong argument. See, my advice is that they should get vaccination, right? And as far as the masks are concerned, they should wear masks. They should cover their mouth and nose. And this is one of the requirements. When you are in a public place, you should do it. So I can only say that those who are not following this protocol are actually, if they are literate, even then they are ignorant. They are educated, ignorant people, right? So that is what I can say. See, here in Islamabad, every person who enters Islamabad gate, he has to show the proof that he is vaccinated, double vaccinated. Then, after that, he will be tested again, COVID test. Then he will be allowed to enter Islamabad, and despite that, he will be asked to cover the face with the mask, right? Even in the mosque, and during Jummah prayer, you must have seen that those sitting in front of me, they're all wearing masks, right? So if these people are not following, they are actually not trying to harm themselves, but to other people as well. So they are totally ignorant people. And they should not be remained as office bearer if they are office bearer. Okay?
Jazakallah, Hazur.